Apple Airpods Pro.
I'm going to give you enough reasons today to buy these babies for either Black Friday or Christmas.
And I'm going to give you enough reasons to save your money and splurge on something else on Black Friday.
Well, we see about that, don't we?
If you are new to our channel, we do unbiased tech reviews. We pay for 99% of the products you see on this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe for unbiased reviews.
Alice is in love with the Mad Hatter, do you know?
Yes, I totally admit I like to spend money I don't have. But I will give you enough reasons today to spend money on the AirPods Pro because I believe they are really good. On the other hand, you have Toni. She grew up in Yorkshire, England, and she knows damn well how to save money. So she will give you enough reasons not to spend that money. So reason number one, there are water and sweat resistant IPX4. That means you can go jogging. That piece of cake should never have happened today. Biking, God, my bum really hurt. Or even heavy weightlifting or any other exercise, non-water sports exercise that is. And you only need one pair of AirPods or headphones for that because you can make business calls and go jogging at the same time.
I ask you one thing. How many people go jogging with their AirPods or AirPods Pro and sweat so much that they cannot wear them?
I do sweat a lot.
If you do, wipe them down. Another thing, if you're out in the rain, even with AirPods in your ears, if it is torrential rain, you will take them out. No need to spend the extra 100, just wipe your AirPods down. Reason number two.
Adaptive EQ. That means it tunes to the shape of your ears. Now, how cool does that sound? I have different shaped ears. You probably can't see that, but a usual pair of headphones would just blast the music in and bounce off like the walls, if you like, inside your ear. And that one here, that really nice one, AirPods Pro, has adaptive EQ. That means it kind of tunes into your ear shape. So you have different shapes and you hear really good sound. That was really uncalled for, wasn't it?
And I say save your money. The active EQ is overkill in such a small pair of inside earbuds. And let's face it, when you put the app on, do they fit to your ear?
Maybe.
He has one ear that they don't fit properly to, no matter what end he puts on. Save your €100.
Reason number three is the most obvious reason and the most compelling reason: active noise cancellation. And when you travel and commute, you sit on a train, you sit on a subway, you sit on an airplane, you don't want to listen to all the white noise and the outside noise that is just disturbing your freedom, your peace right now. So these ones have active noise cancellation and they work pretty well.
And I have two arguments against active noise cancellation. For me personally, I think it's overkill on a small headphone set. It is a user case situation again. Yes, if you are in a loud environment every single day, then maybe you will look at these. But my second argument is that the active noise cancellation for me isn't as good as putting on a set of ANC headphones. So I would personally rather spend the money on a pair of ANC headphones that really blocks everything out than a pair of AirPods. So I have one more sledgehammer reason that knocks all the others out of the park, and that is the whopping price tag of $249.
It is very expensive for what it is. You can buy the basic version without wireless charging for $159. And if you really want to spend that amount of money, the $249, then you could actually upgrade to the Beats Solo Pro, right? So that costs $299 if you want to stay in the Apple ecosystem. Let us know, yay or nay. Jens here from Also Space.
Toni the Car Geek.
Thank you for watching.